Alright. With our object selected, let's hit Tab or select Edit Mode over here. Our tool menu, our toolbar gets a little bigger, so let's drag this out and see what we got. We have some selection and transform tools, annotate and measure, and our add geometry. So let's look at add geometry first and work our way down through the tool list. So we can add a cube and we get this little grid, so we can just say, hey, let's, right? Now we can also add a cone in the same manner. It's pretty cool. It just snaps it to the face. So let's say add a UV sphere. We'll just bring it out here. Right? Now you can see that each one of these, let's grab cylinders. Now let's grab cones. So it's finding that face. So wherever we grab in that face, it's going to start that. So if you wanted that in the center, you would probably have to start there and bring it to there. Right? So play around with that. That's a little awkward sometimes to get it right the way you want it. We can just press Shift and constrain that. All right. Then we can press Control to snap it. All right. So play around with that.